Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're discussing the outage of Southeast Asia's largest bank, DBS Group, and how it relates to the Monetary Authority of Singapore's response and future consequences. /N/N on Wednesday, DBS Group experienced an unacceptable 10-hour digital services outage. Data services, online banking, and trading via its brokerage were all disrupted. Customers were largely unable to access these services during this time, the only assistance being the bank's extension of branch services by 2 hours. /N/N The Monetary Authority of Singapore took a hard stance in regards to the economy and held the bank responsible. They instructed DBS to conduct a thorough investigation to establish the root cause of the disruption and submit its investigation findings to MAS. This action resulted in a 1.4% decrease in shares on Singapore's benchmark Straits Times Index. /N/N In November of 2021, DBS had already needed to take responsibility for a 2-day digital services disruption, with a 1.5 times multiplier of its risk-weighted assets to its operational risk. This caused an additional 930 million Singapore dollars in current capital. Chong Beng Soon, associate professor at Nanyang Technological University's College of Business, believes that a similar penalty will likely be imposed this time as well. /N/N However, the incident shouldn't heavily influence long-term consumer or investor confidence in the bank. DBS has a strong banking franchise and reputation which should be able to withstand any negativity from this recent malfunction. /N/N It's evident that the Monetary Authority of Singapore is taking the outage seriously, and taking action to prevent any future similar occurrences. The bigger picture is that customer and investor trust shouldn't suffer in the long run due to DBS Group's strong reputation. /N/N It's clear that digital disruptions can be serious, not only to customer experience, but to the trust customers and investors have in banks and other financial services. But with a focus on a thorough investigation from MAS and an emphasis on a solid track record from banks like DBS Group, it's highly likely that customer trust will remain secure.